Hello everybody, this is well, I'll try and make it quick as possible video, see how long it takes, but it's to go over one important aspect that you're going to have to learn about when you come to Yui, is about the design. And we do obviously a lot of technical drawing, but more and more as engineers we use some form of computer-aided design. One of the very popular packages used by our mechanical engineering students is called SolidWorks. Now, unfortunately, this is a professional package, and the best you could do would be to get a free 7-day online trial. So I haven't tried that myself, and I wouldn't particularly recommend it since it's only 7 days, but it might be worth looking at. The other thing that you could do is, if you go onto YouTube and find some brief introduction videos for SolidWorks, just to give you a little feel about what it is like to use computer-aided design. This one here I found, which seemed very good. Learn SolidWorks in 5 minutes. It's 9 minutes long, so slight misadvertisement there.
In this episode, I'm going to be showing you the easiest way to get started in SolidWorks. I'm literally going to teach you how to use SolidWorks in 5 minutes. So let's get started.
Wow.
First, we go File.
Okay, so watching some introduction videos, go for some short ones, some 10-minute long ones, just to give you an idea of what SolidWorks is like and how to start it. That'd be a cool thing to do. When you come to Yui, you can, and you've got your account and stuff, though you'll find that there's, if you just type in Google Yui Software, Google's usually a great way to find things, even on the Yui website. You'll see that there's this software, Yui Bristol IT Services, and what happens there, if I click on that, it's saying that there's software that's available on campus, there's Office 365 available, there's software that I can use for my home, and there's special offers for students and stuff like that. So the one I think I click on next would be maybe Office for Students. No. Yeah, actually I think I probably want to go for software for home. And here you can see all the kind of packages that we've got available. I wonder if it helps if I move myself over here. All the packages that we've got. So they give us a brief description, and one very popular one with mechanical engineers is going to be a package called ANSYS. So that's software simulation. And what else have we got? Scroll down. The other thing that I'm looking for is a SolidWorks. There we go. So SolidWorks is there, and you can download that and use that on your home laptop. So that's what you do when you come to Yui. What I would suggest now, or what Tushar, your design lecturer, recommends, is that you use SketchUp, because SketchUp is going to be a free tool, and so therefore that might be something to also worth having on your laptop that you might want to use throughout your career as an engineer. So SketchUp comes from Google, so it will always be available. You can see there's a download SketchUp free trial, and the reason why they say free trial there is because with SketchUp you'll get options for the free version and the pro version. I don't recommend that you go anything above the free version. So you're ready to give it a try, yeah. So you're, well, I am in higher education, and so will you be in September. And so then you can create an account. And I wonder if I could sign in with Google. Okay, so you could download your SketchUp and get the free version. So make sure you select free version. I don't want you to be paying any money for this. Once you've done that, on YouTube there's the Google official YouTube site, which is called SketchUp. So that's the SketchUp symbol, and this is the actual official site. There's loads of other sites and engineers that help you. If I scroll down here, can I see any? Not particularly, they're all from SketchUp. But the way to get started with SketchUp is to start with the Getting Started with SketchUp Part 1. Unfortunately, they're building a house, but you could make that into a box or something like that. Okay, so follow that get the free download and follow that set of tutorials. That's all I really want to say for right now. But yeah, as I said, design and computer-aided design is going to be really important as part of your degree. So it would be a great idea to jump in now, give it a go, and have a play on SketchUp.